Mayor Corey O'Connor tells me the city is trying workarounds to get as many plows and salt trucks on the streets as possible this weekend. Still, we're told the city's public works fleet is down by about 25%, including this plow in the city garage. Drone 4 video shows dozens of vehicles waiting for repairs at the city garage, including some salt trucks and plows. Problems with the city fleet have been well documented. Mayor Corey O'Connor and other officials say they are working to get trucks back on the road as soon as possible. But the years-long backlog will not be fixed by this weekend, so the mayor says they are trying other measures to make sure the streets are safe.
When we had a little downtime, we were training some more drivers, which is helpful. We're trying to fit about 18 Parks trucks with new equipment so that they could be utilized on our streets. Obviously, that's not going to be fully ready, but if we can ramp up a couple at a time, even the garage where we send our trucks, we've already given them notice, stay open extended hours, especially over the weekend.
I spoke to Councilman Anthony Coghill, who represents some of the city's hilliest neighborhoods, including the South Side Slopes. He tells me he is very worried about the response this weekend due to the shortage of trucks, but he is confident that over the long haul, the new mayor will get the city's fleet up to standard. Reporting from the Strip District, Paul Van Osdol, Pittsburgh's Action News 4.